Speaker of the House of Representatives, the 10th People's House, Right Honorable Benjamin Okezie Kalu, who we are representing here today. Also accompanying me is Honorable Matthew Nwogu, representing Abua Ngopala Federal Constituency, Honorable Peter Aniepe, representing Anambra East and West Federal Constituency, Honorable Rufus Omire, and my humble self, Honorable Kenga Imo Ugochinyere. Igbo kelenu! Igbo kelenu!
Thank you for that wonderful support to Nigerian Festival Ghana 2024.